Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add a pie chart right in our Google Sheet, right here. A lot of you might familiar how to put that pie chart in Microsoft Excel, but not familiar with Google Sheet. So I'm going to show you exactly where you can actually add a pie chart right here. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to block the data right here. Then we're going to come right up here to the head part right here, click on the word insert. When you click on insert, what you will see, notice is cell, row, column, come down to chart. Now when you click on chart, you notice you bring up this right here. Alright, so what you wanted to do next, definitely, when I click right here, you notice it shows standard and all that. So what I wanted to do, definitely, is to give you the correct chart, right? So if I click right here, you notice right here, and then I scroll down, scroll up right here, you notice these are the charts. I click, these are the pie charts right here. Definitely, if you notice this one right here, so I can come right here and close it. So if I put the cursor right here, I can actually size it down just to see them, like that. So if you notice, see the figures there. Definitely, if you right click on it, just everything you can notice, you can resize the area. Alright, and if you notice right there, you can chart, title, and support on it. So very important right there. So this is how you actually create a pie chart right here in Google Sheet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.